Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and create interactive content and then add it to your course. Interactive content is important in a training context because it naturally increases user engagement and adds an extra layer of stimulation and fun into your training. To add interactive content, what you're first going to want to do is navigate to the content bank on the left-hand navigation panel. And you'll see that I've uploaded 3 different types of interactive content that I'll show you later. But uh, if I go and click add, I can see the over 40 different types of interactive content I can scroll through and use within my course. What I'm going to do for this example is I'm going to go and grab a simple true and false question. And once it loads, I'm going to give it a title, just true or false. I'm going to give it a very basic question. Is the year 2022? No, it's false, so I'm going to go and select that. I'm just going to add a piece of media just to make it look more interesting. I'm just going to select a random image, let it upload. And then down below, I have certain behavioral settings that I can change, such as enabling the retry button or enabling the show solution button. And then also can give specific feedback on the correct or wrong answer. If I click save or hit save button, I will see a preview of my content once it loads, and that is what it looks like. It gives the image is the year 2022. I'll go and say false and I'll check, and that is what it will display to the end user. If I close this up, you can also see there's a few other examples, and what I'm going to show you first is the interactive video. And this is just an example that someone has made already. I'm going to switch the sound off and click play. And this person has gone and added a bunch of prompts over a YouTube video that's been embedded into the system. And here we see there's a prompt coming up, which happens to be a multiple choice quiz. And I can go and select the correct answer and carry on with my video. There are different behavioral prompts, such as not allowing the end user to go past a certain period. So if I got this incorrect, for example, and I said check, it's going to force me to watch the intro again before I can continue. In this example, I can go and write to the end, but you can prevent this. And towards the end, there will be a little summary that you can employ, or you will get another summary at the end with all the answers that you have submitted into your interactive video. The next example I'm going to show you is an interactive book. And we're going to click over here. Once it loads up, we can see that it's like a book that you can scroll through, and there are different prompts that you can click on, such as an information box. Here's a small little multiple choice quiz or drag and drop game, and you can continue on to the next page, which happens to have an embedded video inside of it. The last example I'm going to show you is a basic course presentation. If I clicked on here, I can go through the different slides. Here there's a multiple choice quiz or a fill in the blanks quiz. You can also embed other types of interactive content within your presentation, such as an interactive video. So to add this content to your site, what you'll do is you'll head on to Course Home. What I'm going to do is scroll down to our Learning Development Course Module 3, and I'm going to click on Add Course Content. And over here, I'm going to click on H5P in this case. It's going to load up for me, and the required field is giving it a name, which I'll do, and then adding my file that I created in the content bank. So I'm going to click on the file picker over here, and I'm in the content bank, and I'm going to go and select my true or false question that I created. I'm going to select it, and then what I'll do is click on Save and Display, and it will display my interactive content type once it loads for me over here. Of course, you can make it look a little bit better than this. This was just a very basic example for you.